How to reset Facebook feed. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the three lines on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down to Preferences tab and you will see the option for Content Preferences. Tap on that and now you will be able to customize your preference. So you can tap on the political content option and toggle on or toggle off the political content toggle button, depending on if you want to seek political content on your Facebook feed or not. You can then go back and tap on sensitive content and then choose default or show less option depending on how much of sensitive content you want to view on your Facebook feed, and then tap on the save button. Similarly, you can tap on favorites and add people to your favorites. You can tap on snooze and add people or pages to your snooze. You can add unfollow and choose whom you want to unfollow, and you can tap on reconnect and choose whom you want to reconnect with. So, this was about how you can reset Facebook feed on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.